Whenever people power and divisive force collide, as they do today, power succeeds when truth is empowering the will of the people. Hello, I'm Caroline Phipps, founder of Living with Inner Elegance. Living with Inner Elegance initiative is a safe space where we unite with dignity and grace to craft genuine and practical solutions to demanding problems in our fast-paced and chaotic world. Before we begin, please check out my YouTube channel, subscribe, click on the like button and the little bell for future notifications. Keeping Your Sanity, Part 3. We have a powerful place at the table. You can cut all the flowers, but you cannot keep spring from coming. A quote from Pablo Neruda. As spring flowers break through the once frozen earth, turning their faces to the sunlight, the winter of our discontent gives way to a new chapter. Change is in the air, evident in every corner of the world, as people unite in peaceful resistance against injustice. This unified stand reminds us that nothing exists in isolation, particularly injustice. Just as spring inevitably follows winter, we must remember that every action has an equal and opposite reaction, a principle rooted in Newton's third law of motion, which mirrors the ideas of karma and the Christian teaching that what we sow, we will ultimately reap. Every action comes with consequences, whether they are physical or ethical. We find ourselves in a dynamic era marked by rapid change, where a steady stream of misguided choices has swelled into a torrent. The repercussions are immediate and far-reaching. Take the history of African Americans as a prime example. The ongoing assault on the rich legacy of a whole community and an entire country has sparked a powerful call to action, prompting organizations and citizens alike to step up and take charge. As a result, a bright light now pierces through centuries of obscured truths. Engaging in deceit places us in an unwinnable battle. As highlighted in my article, Keeping Your Sanity, Part 1, The Dilemma, strategies rooted in arrogance and hubris, overlooking our deep connections with each other and our world, are destined to fail. Daily, we see the frantic attempts to defend and enforce an unjust divide and conquer agenda. The chaos will only grow as maintaining a separation between people requires an enormous effort to keep the illusion alive. After World War II, the Berlin Wall was erected to divide East from West, and it took thousands of military and civilian personnel to enforce its presence. East Germans had to keep a wary eye on their guards, fearing defections, and many of which ultimately occurred. This situation was unsustainable, and the wall's inevitable fall heralded the people's desire for reunion. History shows us that significant change is possible when people come together for a shared purpose. Mahatma Gandhi, shocked by the discrimination and exploitation under British rule in India, employed non-violent resistance to dramatically weaken the empire's hold. His actions inspired similar movements around the globe, and all while he sat peacefully on a prayer mat, speaking only the truth. So how did Gandhi triumph against such odds? By conveying the universal truth of the sanctity and dignity of all life, he engaged millions in a common cause because courage is contagious and truth includes us all. He demonstrated that the people's power must be grounded in universal and spiritual truths to confront divisive forces. Only by aligning with truth can we hope for peace and justice for all. This is the very essence of a spiritual awakening. When we unite in peaceful resistance and selflessly support each other, extraordinary things begin to unfold. Our sincere choices don't require coercion. Stronger bonds form, and faith in our interconnectedness assures us that help will always be there when we need it. Aligning with truth illuminates the path. In stark contrast, the immense effort needed to cause division and harm relies on deception and manipulation. Hidden agendas are concealed behind rhetoric, propaganda, and flimsy arguments that will ultimately fall apart, as truth has an uncanny way of surfacing. Aligning with falsehood is like trying to drag a heavy boulder uphill while wearing flip-flops. When we break one another's hearts by being greedy and self-serving, only caring about ourselves at the expense of others, we erode trust and damage relationships. As a result, we become increasingly weak. Eventually, one day, we're on our own, and no one will be there for us on that mountainside when we need them. We stand at the crossroads of an existential struggle, but we also have many reasons to be optimistic about the outcome. We possess free will, and with free will comes great responsibility. We're all here for a reason, and what we do now and how we approach it matters more than ever. As we witness daily, every single action and reaction has a consequence. Our choices will be crucial in shaping the future. This is how powerful we are. Just consider the incredible power of the latest boycotts. Take heart that we hold a powerful place at the table. Together, we are powerful enough to overcome seemingly impossible odds. And we can trust that the truth will set us free. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to go to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the like button and the little bell for future notifications. And check out my website, carolinphipps.com, and there you'll find inspirational and informative articles, podcasts, and videos to help you lead a life with more inner elegance.